What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Casey For Real, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm here with the Pope. The Pope's in the building. But today we're going to New York. We're about to walk around.
Deadass.
Pope.
Yo, follow me at Big Boy Green on the gram. You already know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
The Holy Glare.
The Holy Glare. Great. I'll see you guys when we get to the train station.
I shouldn't have wore all white shoes. It's a good 32 degrees out today.
Yeah.
Off in New York.
Nice and chilly, just how I like it.
Nice and chilly. Bitch, it's freezing out here.
Hot. Yeah.
Oh my God, we're off to New York City.
New York
Bada
City.
bing, bada boom. Yankees, Mets. Wait, it's winter. It's 32 degrees out. Wait.
Gotta say to the vlog.
I want to say, God bless Casey For Real and all his followers.
Yeah.
In the name of the Father, Son, Jibber Jabber, all that. I want to introduce you to some people.
Yeah.
We got Cute Swag Dog Millionaire over here. Put the camera back on me. What are you doing? We got Cassie over there.
All right.
And then Samuel back in the back.
What's good? Full names.
Sam the Tsunami Man. No, Sam the DJ Tsunami.
Photo
Caption, photo, golf man. Yeah.
What? All right.
You have to watch the Powerpuff Girls.
Hell no.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah. Sugar, spice, and everything nice.
About that.
Yeah.
Oh, One Punch Man season 2. I mean, it's okay.
The Powerpuff Girls. All right, that's the anime you gotta watch.
No.
Yeah. They don't know anything. Forget that. Huh? Mojo Dojo. I'm recording you.
What?
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 Don't. What are you doing?
20?
Get away from me.
About to get that breakfast.
I'm gonna go to Jamba Juice.
Jumbo juice.
There's a Dunkin' Donuts on every freaking 200 feet.
Where's the other one?
Right here. There's one over there too. You know we should be recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
What should we do?
Nothing. We should do nothing. Home Decker.
The New Yorker. Look at that.
Dead ass.
Oh, Trump. There you go. Okay.
Man. Our great president. Haha.
Waiting for our food. Wait, I didn't get my receipt.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. All right, you too. Wait, you didn't get a receipt?
What? Get my only, please. Yes, please.
What do you got? What do you got? Oh, hot. Oh, wow.
What did you get? Right here.
Tastes like New York. There we go. You know what I'm saying? Casey For Real, how you doing? You know, when you're in New York, these people don't give a shit. Look at this guy over here. They don't give a shit. This guy say like, bada bing, bada boom, I'm walking here. You know what I'm saying? Is this a Zoom thing? No, that's not a Zoom thing. Damn, I got a fat ass head. There we go. We're going to find Cuban all them. Huh? Taste that New York, right? Yeah. New York. Dunkin', baby. Fuck that. That dude's crazy, you seen him? He's like, ba ba bing, ba boom, boom, ba ba. Fuck up. You gotta be careful, bro. These people are crazy out here.
Jimbo.
We're at MSG, baby. Madison Square Garden.
Yeah.
Find a bathroom. Find a bathroom? What are you trying to get?
so cold out there.
Alright. Keon? Yeah, Keon, we better get run over by a taxi. Yeah, Keon. Do a perp check. Show him, Keon. Oh my god. Hey, how you doing? Alright, you too. Follow me on Instagram at Big Boy Green. Follow my YouTube page at Jimmy G. Check up with the link below. Hudson Yards. New York City.
Start hopping up and down.
What's this called? The Vessel?
The Vessel.
I'll see if it's called the Vessel. So it's got fucking goddamn honeycomb.
All three of us on one?
Yeah.
Alright.
The Holy Cookie.
Jimmy next, hold on.
Oh my god, I never thought a cookie looked so damn good. How you doing? Hey, how you doing?
Look at that. I might eat myself first. So guys, I'm about to cop me a Rolex. Oh yeah. Gotta get all iced out. Oh, those are girl ones. Who am I kidding?
Get a video. Get a video.
What?
Trying some Rabies. Let me see how it looks. Ooh, Kia, you looking fresh, dog. Ooh. Fresh. I got my America's Best on, you know, $30 probably. Yeah.
How much is this? Oh no. 168.
I gotta go. I'll pick up some free dollar store, right?
Yeah.
That makes sense. I'm not cutting it.
These are the best looking ones right here. But they're $168. So I'm gonna put them back. Crazy. What's this one? Oh, hell no. That must be some. Is there gold in there or something? Oh, hell no. Huh? What?
My mans, what are you doing? Oh my god. What the f? I'm here. There he is. How you doing, Chief?
Yeah.
This shit's really nice.
Wait, this is a mall? Hold up.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Yo guys, so it started snowing. Now we about to go home, so that's the end of the vlog.
Make sure you check me out on YouTube at Jimmy G.
Yeah,
and then
check
my
him out.
Instagram at Big Boy Green.
Yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
Today I let Casey for real do the vlog.
Yeah. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
It is snowing.
And turn on that post notification button
Oh.
so you guys won't miss another video. I'm out.
Peace.